Get out of there.
Sorry.
I'm serious business about
I'm
this.
sorry.
That's okay.
God, that's good. Hey, Ben the Baker. We were driving down the road today and we saw the Ben the Baker sign. So I went in.
And right there.
Oh my God.
Did you try the raspberry?
No, this lemon curd.
I love raspberry.
Oh my God, that's so good.
Isn't that like
It's
a lemon cheesecake?
Yeah,
pie?
maybe. Wow.
Right.
God, that's good.
This is a good combo. Isn't this like a pretzel crust?
Mm-hmm.
They're most popular. That is really.
Oh my God, these are so good. We got the pieces in half.
I call the rest of the raspberry.
I'm gonna have one more bite though.
No.
So are these both like a cheesecake with the top?
I don't know, but the best berry in the world is the raspberry.
Fridays, 2 o'clock, and all day Saturdays out front, Ben the Baker, they bake off mini pies, so you're ready to eat right there. Otherwise, they have frozen ones that you can take home and eat right away. Frozen ones that you can take home and bake. They've got savory, they have sweet, they have pies by the slice, which is what we got.
We got. That is fab. On point.
Oh my God, it's good. Ben the Baker. Yum. Got it.
Last bite, ready? 1, 2, 3. Birthday, get out of